Are you having issues getting Upwork to verify your payment method or your withdrawal method? Have you put in your bank details consistently and several times and still your payment method is inactive? In this video, I'm going to show you how to come out of this struggle so that you can receive your Upwork payment seamlessly. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Vera, and without much further ado, let's dive right in. For the fact that you've clicked this video shows that you have an Upwork account and your details have been put in smoothly. First, you want to make sure that the name that you're using for your Upwork is your real name. You don't have to use an alias or your nickname or stuff like that. Just make sure that your profile name is your real name. And also, if you have not verified your documents or yourself on Upwork, I think this is the best time to do that, so that every other process that I'll be outlining in this video is going to work smoothly for you. You go to the place where you have to verify your account, show your face, show your document, if it's your voter's card, if it's your international passport, if it's your national ID, whatever, your driver's license, whatever document you have that represents who you are, you need to take it and verify it on the platform. And also, the fact that you verified this shows that the name on that account is solely yours. And that takes us right next to the next step. That takes us to the next step. And then you go to settings on Upwork. When you go to settings, you go to get paid. When you click get paid, you go to add a withdrawal method, and then you click in the withdrawal method that works best for you. If you're a Nigerian freelancer, or if you're not a Nigerian freelancer, if you're you click in the payment method that's best for you. If Payoneer is okay for you, you click on that, or PayPal. These are the very best for people not residing in the US. But if you're a US citizen, I think it's best to just go for the option for US people. So when you click in the withdrawal method, you need to make sure that every single detail you put in here still represents you as you have put in for your verification. You put in your right name, you put in the address, you put in your bank name that is exactly as the name you are using for your Upwork account, because that's where the challenge mostly comes in. One of which the challenge mostly comes in if you use a different name for your Upwork than the name for your bank account. It has to be exact. Even if your middle name is not there, make sure your middle name is in your Upwork profile name and also your bank name. So after that is done, the next thing, you go to the tax form. The tax form that also shows that if you are not based in the US, you need to fill it. You fill the W8BEN form. That form shows that you are not resident in the US and that you are a freelancer that wouldn't be charged for taxes like a US citizen, right? So you fill in that form accurately. If you're operating your Upwork account as an individual, you put in individual there and not corporation, unless you're running it as a company and then you have everything all sorted out that way. You put in the individual, you put in your real name. But over here, I don't think that many of us have tax. You don't need to put in. If you still want to put it in, no problem. But I didn't put in my tax because I didn't put in the tax ID. What I did put in there was my national ID. You put in your name in place of the tax ID. Cross check it very well before you save. And then when that is done, you click on next, and that's it. Basically, you have to wait for 3 days for Upwork to do their work and verify that your account is indeed legit. And then you have it. You can get your payment whenever you want. And the good thing about Upwork is that you don't have to reach a certain amount before you take out your money, even though the payment schedule, which is part of what you have to do, you put in the schedule so that when your money gets to a certain threshold, they can just send your money to you without you having to click on get paid. But you can still take out any amount that you want from Upwork depending on whatever it is, right? So that's basically for payment method. And there you have it. You have it all sorted out. There is no problem whatsoever. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Vera, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.